Enough sunlight falls on the Earth's surface every hour to meet world energy demand for an entire year. What is solar energy? Solar energy is the energy released from the sun in the form of heat and light. Solar energy is clean. Solar lights produce no pollution and cause no harmful environmental effects. Solar energy is renewable. Unlike most other energy resources, it will never run out. Solar energy is free. There is no additional running cost after installation. How does it work? When sunlight hits a solar PV module, it creates an electrical field across the layers, which then generates DC electricity. The inverter then converts the DC power into AC electricity, which can be used safely in appliances around the home. Any excess power your system generates is redirected back into the electricity grid. This allows you to earn money from your solar power system. Why go solar? Highly reliable. Solar photovoltaic systems rely on ultraviolet rays, not heat, so it will generate electricity all year round. Easy installation. Conducted by an accredited installer. Long lifespan. 25-year manufacturer's performance warranty on all solar panels. Smart investment. Generate your own free power and sell any extra electricity. Find out how much you can make from your roof. Get in touch with us today for a free assessment and consultation in your own home.